Whether you're single or not, sometimes it's good being missed by someone. It'll make you feel important and special. Plus, it keeps a relationship alive. Now, I don't condone using brute force or weapons to make someone do something, but only when it's necessary. There are psychological tricks you can use to get them to miss you. Also, I'll be using the words them and their a lot because I want to include all gender and race and not leave anyone out, because I would never know if someone in Mars is watching this. So here are 10 things you can do on how to make someone miss you. Number 1. Don't communicate with them every day. Yes, hold off on those social media chats, texts, and video chats, and here's why. The less you guys talk, the more they'll miss you. Our mind tends to want what we can't have. For instance, you really want a new computer, and once you have it, you desire it less. Or perhaps you really want a new shirt, and once you have it, you rarely even touch it. And for guys, let's say you really want to get a freak on with a girl, and 1 minute in, you're done. You can't get it back up anymore. Yeah, it's just a natural thing we tend to do. Number 2. Use the power of your scent. You want to use the power of smell to trigger the memory. It can help one bring back deep feelings and emotions. So in order for this to work, you need to have a signature scent that's unique to you. I recommend buying the most expensive bottle of a cologne or perfume you can find on the market, so you know that's going to be unique. Avoid the cheap stuff because you don't want your potential partner or partner to be sniffing the same cheap bottle that almost everyone can afford. And hypothetically speaking, if they ever go blind one day, you obviously don't want them to be confused of who you are. If you don't want to break the bank, I understand. I recommend showering every day and use soap. Number 3. Take things slow. We might have all heard of this phrase before: Rome wasn't built in a day, neither is your relationship with them. Plan your outings with them, or at least plan a spontaneous adventure knowing when it'll happen in the first place. When you take things slow, it'll give them time to enjoy you, think about you, and miss you. Obviously, don't do this every day, perhaps once a week, because dates can be expensive. If you keep dragging on the days, it'll be healthy for you and your wallet. Plus, my YouTube money doesn't kick in until the end of the month, so I gotta be frugal and do it like once a month. Yeah, I don't get paid enough for this. Number 4. Become mysterious. Mystery is what piques people's curiosity. If you want someone to be thinking about you, this is the way to go. Remember that one time when you were young and mom said she'll get you a gift after work? You are constantly thinking about what she's going to bring back. Will it be a toy car, a doll, a Lego house, a huge teddy bear? And you are already fantasizing all the possible options. You can use the same strategy with them. The more they know about you, the less romantic it is for them. So let them fantasize about you. They'll want you even more. Number 5. Send them pictures. And no, I don't mean nudes. If you guys are away from each other for a long period of time, then a picture will help remind them of you. It'll create memories of what it's like to be with you. Tap into their emotion and they'll start missing you. So if you're all dressed up to hang out with your friends, take a quick picture and send it to them. Make sure to smile for the best effect. Number 6. Post your fun on social media. Actually, you don't have to have fun. You can create the illusion of having fun by going to popular places and asking strangers to help you take a photo of you doing something awkward. I will admit I've done that. When I'm with my 3 best friends, me, myself, and I, it's really hard to get them to stand 5 feet away and take a picture. So that's when you call a stranger for help. And once the photo is uploaded, you'll give them something to smile at and remember you. Let them know that you're having fun and what they're missing out on. Number 7. Be independent and confident. There's nothing sexier than that. Well, there probably is, but I'll tell you in future videos. Usually this means that you have your life together. You know where you want to go to school, you know what job you want, and you have general life goals you want to achieve. Yeah, I didn't get quite past stage 2 in life, but anyway, if you're like me and like 99% of the population without a plan, don't worry, you can create an illusion that you're independent and confident. I say this a lot, but sometimes you just gotta fake it until you make it. Once you realize that you have things going on for yourself, they'll miss being part of your life. Number 8. Look your best. Don't start to get comfy with yourself and be whatever about your appearance if you want someone to miss you. Start wearing things that make you look and feel good. It'll boost your self-esteem, and in return, it'll make them want you even more. And because you look good all the time, they'll definitely miss hanging out with you when you're away from each other. Number 9, leave something behind. It could be anything like a shirt, a hat, a bracelet, or perhaps a few strands of hair in the sink. Whatever works best for you. So when you are not there and they see your stuff, they'll think about you. If they are thinking about you, they'll end up missing you. And the best part about this is that you don't even need to do anything. Just leave your junk behind and let it work for you. Number 10, take something from them. This could be their favorite shirt, jacket, water bottle, dill, whatever, you get the point. If you take their favorite thing, they'll start missing it. And if they're missing their favorite thing, they'll start to think about you and start missing you. But don't just take it without him knowing. Ask first, perhaps quote unquote borrow the item first, then use the item in front of them a few times just to let them know you have it. Once you have successfully obtained one item, start being a hoarder and keep getting their stuff. Overall, we can all be crazy over them, and in order to make this work, sometimes you just need to give them time to miss you. If you are always with them 24/7, then what's there to miss about you? When you haven't seen each other for a while and then reconnect, it'll make your relationship grow stronger. The quality time you guys spend together later on will be worth it, and they'll for sure want to do it again and again, just like sex, I mean showering. Hey, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below on how you're going to make someone miss you. And as always, thanks for watching.